The new NEXT LITE RACK generator has been specifically designed to be used by OEM companies on automation lines and special machines. The small size makes it easy to integrate on existing machines and in electrical cabinets. Our patented multi-frequency technology makes it incredibly versatile and powerful, being able to be used with up to 7 converters of 30, 35, and 40 kHz, and reaching up to 12,000 watts of power. The next generation auto-tuning technology allows it to be used with any vibrating group from 30, 35, and 40 kHz of frequency. Its versatility makes it perfect to be used in all fields of ultrasound application, from welding thermoplastic material to cutting synthetic fabrics and food products, both continuously and step by step. In addition to a user-friendly and intuitive menu interface, the generator can be controlled by PLC through Modbus RS485 and Profinet communication modules. The proprietary software developed by SONIC ITALIA allows customers to supervise up to 8 parameters and alarms in real time.